Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning and it's time for your phonics this morning. I have been really impressed with the videos that I've seen and the pictures that I've seen of you doing your phonics. You seem to be doing really well with the new special friends that we are learning, which is fantastic to see. So, are we ready for a new sound today? Make sure you've got something to write with and something to write on. Are we ready? Fabulous. I. 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 Super. Well done. Now, like the others, it's a special friend, but this one is a little bit different, and you'll find out why in a minute. Okay, here's the picture. Can you see? There is a man and his two children. It's probably the dad. And they are flying kites. And the kites are high in the air, high in the sky. Okay, can you see that there? And the man says, fly high. I fly high. I fly high. I fly high. I fly high. Brilliant. Okay, so that's the picture and that's the story. So let's see why this special friend is a little bit different. Can you see? What's different about this special friend? That's right. It's got not one letter, not two letters, but three letters. There are three letters making this special friend today. Three special friends sat next to each other. I, G, H. Together say I. 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 So when we see this side, we're going to say I fly high. I fly high. And when we see this side, we're going to say I. Are we ready? Let's play our game. You can see me swap it there. Brilliant. Super spotting there. That was fabulous. Let me just write it down for you so that you can see how to read and write it. Now, like with all our other special friends, we do try to join them together, the letters together. Now, this is a really tricky join. Can you see how I have to go across the G here to get to my H? If you can't do that, don't worry, okay? You could write it like that, but give it a go to write it like that, okay? So we're going to have a look at how we write it in a minute. Let me rub that off for now. Okay. Let's put the sound in with the other sounds that we already know. And when we see it, I want you to give it a thumbs up today. Okay, what's our sound? That's right, I. Are we ready? Let's go. What was this one? E, that's right, yesterday's. I, fabulous. Let's hide it again. Let's go. Fabulous. Let's keep hiding it. Wonderful. Keep going. Super speedy. There it is. And one more time. What's this one? Well remembered. Let's go through it. Put it right at the back this time so we've got all of the sounds to go through. sure we don't drop any, Mrs. Miles. What's that one? Keep going. Super. Fabulous. I. Brilliant. Well done. Okay. Let's pick up Fred. And let's see if you can put some of the sounds into words. Are we ready? I. Hi. That's brilliant. Hi is really tall. Not the high when we say hi, but it's high is really tall or up really high somewhere. All-ite. 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 What can you hear? That's right. All-ite. Light. Brilliant. Ite. 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 That's right. Ite. Might. Super. Well done. Bright. 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 A bright light. Let's do one more. Bright. 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 Fright. When you get a fright. 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 Show me your fright face. Oh, you look like you've been really scared. Brilliant. Well done. Okay. Handwriting. So we're going to have a go at writing now. All right. I showed you earlier what I wanted you to have a go at writing when we write our sound. So I'd like you, if you can, to try to join here. But if you can't, try to join the I and the G and just sit the H very close next to it. Okay? Fabulous. See if you can write that. It is a tricky one today, so it needs a lot of practice. Okay? So it is a tricky one, so you will need quite a bit of practice with this one. Keep looking at mine to see if it looks like yours. Fabulous. Brilliant. Can you write A? A. Special friends, 2 letters next to each other. Join them if you can. Have a look at mine, see if yours looks like mine. I'm hoping I don't need to tell you how to hold your pencil still. Crocodile snaps. A. A, may I play? And what's our other special friend that we've learnt? E, that's right, E. I was going to write it, but I'd like you to do it first. E. E. E, what can you see? Remember the boy sat in the tree with the binoculars? E, what can you see? Brilliant. Same letter, but 2 times. E. E. It's nice. I quite like writing that one because it flows quite nicely with that one. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a think about our spelling today using the I sound. All right, so we'll start with 3 letters and the word we're going to write is night. Night. Pinch the sounds for night. N-I-T. N-I-T. Off you go. Write it. N-I-T. Keep saying the sounds. N-I-T. N-I-T. Keep saying the sounds. Underline your special friend. Are you ready for me to do it? Shout the sounds out for me. N. underline your special friends. Give yourself a tick for N, for I, and for T. Make sure your I sound has the letters in the right order. Don't jumble them up. Don't put your H first or your G first. It must have your I, G, H. Okay? Sometimes this sneaks into the middle of a word. This is our red word I, which we know really well. Let me just get it out of our box. Okay, this is the red word I, but this never should be in the middle of a word because it isn't a sound. This is a word, okay? This is a sound. This is a word. So don't ever write this in the middle of the word. Just use it on its own. It always is written on its own. Okay, so if you've written that in the middle of the night, change it and put the sound in. Okay, night. Okay, 3 fingers again. Let's try the word sight. Sight. Pinch the sounds for sight. S-I-T. S-I-T. Write it. S-I-T. S-I-T. I'm just going to put a little cross there so you know not to use that. Sight. Brilliant. Shout the sounds out for me. Have you underlined your special friends? Shout the sounds out. I, 3 letters, underlined. T. Sight. Fabulous. Give yourself a tick for S, for I, and for T. Fabulous. Okay. Our last spelling today. Bright. Bright. 3 fingers. Bright. Oh, 4 fingers. Sorry, Mrs. Bass got that wrong. 4 fingers. Bright. B-R-I-T. Again. B-R-I-T. Write it down. Keep saying the sounds. B-R-I-T. Underline your special friends. Shout the sounds out for me. If you need longer with these words, just pause the video. Shout the sounds out for me. B-R-I. Underline. B-R-I-T. It's a long word, isn't it? Tick or correct your B, your R, your I, and your T. Bright. What I would like you to do is to check really carefully that your spellings look like my spellings. Think about your handwriting. Okay, so if you need longer, just pause the video. Brilliant. Okay, reading. So we're going to start off by having a look at some other sounds that we've already learnt, and then we're going to have a look at the I sound. We read our words with special friend, Fred talk, read the word, and then I will repeat it back to you. Okay, so special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Look for the lines. Special friends and Fred talk. Read the word. 3. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Might. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Night. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. High. High in the sky. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. light. Special friends. Fred talk, careful with this one. Read the word. Fright. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Bright. It's very bright today. Special friend. Fred talk. Read the word. Stink. We're back to the beginning. Well done. Really would like to see some videos of you reading those words because it's really good for me to see that. Okay, the next few words we're going to do the same. Special friends, Fred talk, and then read the word, and then we will Fred secret Fred in our head and Speedy read. Okay. Special friends, Fred talk. Read the word. Special friend. Careful, there is one. Fred talk. Read the word. Special friend. Fred talk. Drop. Special friends. There's two. And Fred talk. Special friends. Read. Fred talk. Special friends. Fred talk. Stand. Special friend. Fred talk. Stamp. We're back to the beginning. This time, I'm going to shuffle them up a little bit. This time, I would like you to secret read. Fred in your head. Secret. And then when I push it forward, read the word. Off you go. Secret. And then we're back to the beginning. Fabulous. Okay, this time, let us speedy read. Are we ready? Off you go. I'm going to go through them a few times. Well done. Speedy reading there, and you did really well because these words are getting really quite hard, and I think you're doing really well with them. If you're finding them hard, just watch the video again and you'll get quicker at them, okay? Keep putting the things on Dojo so that we can see, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.